It's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious side dish of curry carrots. So this is a really simple side dish. You just want to take a small bunch of carrots. If your carrots are nicer looking than the carrots my grocery store had, there's no need to peel them. But mine were hideous, so I decided to peel them. And you don't have to peel them. That's up to you. But I just feel like they looked nicer if I peeled them. I'm only using 4, and that turned out like that was a good amount for me. So I did have some leftover like marinade seasoning mix that we're gonna put on this, but that was okay. This made enough for my husband to have a nice snack. And my carrots were also on the larger side, so I'm just cutting those into quarters, and I wanted them to be long because I thought that would be prettier, but it really doesn't matter. You could cut them however you wanted. If you wanted to cut them into coins, you could. It would just affect your baking time if you cut them into smaller pieces, so just keep that in mind. But I liked these long strips. I thought they looked really nice. And I'm just cutting the tips off of each end as well. That is something that you'll want to do. So this side is really simple to make, and it's really delicious. It has really good flavor. It's a nice warm side, and it's pretty healthy too. Like, there's nothing in here that's outrageous. There's no sugar or anything like that. Carrots have enough sugar on their own. So so for our seasoning mix, we're gonna do some curry spice. If you can get Vindaloo curry spice, you can do that. I just used spicy curry because my grocery store is boring. And then they don't have any fun spices. I added some yogurt. You want to make sure that you get plain Greek yogurt. And now I'm adding some garlic. The garlic limit does not exist. You measure garlic with your heart. If you only want to put in 1 clove, just put in 1. I put in like 5. I'm a garlic girl. And then I added some olive oil and some salt and pepper, and I'm just giving that a good mix. And I am going to put my carrots on a lined baking sheet, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to paint this on my carrots. And you want to do like a good thick layer of this, because the oil and all of the seasoning, like, this is where your flavor is coming from. And the other good thing about this is that you bake them in the oven at 425. That's a pretty high temperature, so the carrots will get like a nice char around the edges, and it's really nice, and it just adds a little bit of extra flavor. But you want to use your marinade that you're making here. I have a feeling this would be good on other vegetables as well. I could imagine it being good on any vegetable that doesn't have a strong flavor itself, like zucchini and squash. I bet it would be good with rice. Not, just so I can mix in. I don't know. I bet it would be good on chicken. I think you could put this seasoning mix on anything, but you're going to bake it at 425 for about 25 minutes. So while they're in the oven, we're going to make a dipping sauce, and that's a 1/4 cup of yogurt. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I just used a whole lemon. I didn't want to waste the other half, and this was a particularly juicy lemon. Also, we really like lemon flavor around here. So to me, it's like garlic. The limit doesn't exist. As much lemon as possible, please. So and then I added a couple cloves of garlic to this as well. And I'm just using my garlic press. If you don't have a garlic press, you'll just want to mince it up really well. And then I'm adding about a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and some olive oil. The turmeric is just for color. And I'm going to add a pinch of salt. And I'm going to give that a whisk. I'm going to give that a whisk, and I'm going to set that aside. So once the carrots come out, I'm just going to, plate them, make it look nice. But these are all done. They smelled amazing, and you can see like there's a couple bits where it just got kind of charred. That's flavor. And I just drizzled some of this dipping sauce on top. This was mostly for the pictures, but I, thought maybe you'd want to see how I would serve these if I were, like taking them to a party. I did a little sprinkle of cilantro on top, and then I added some lime wedges. I bet lime squeezed on top of this would be good. Any and all citrus. But there they are. They're beautiful. Look at them. Oh, that's gorgeous. If you want to see more recipes like this, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes for more, and thanks for watching.